All right, we talked a little bit about Crude. As always, it's one of my favorite trading devices, along with bonds, along with the NASDAQ and S&P. And today I want to talk short selling Crude. It's trading 51.01 right now. I think you can sell it basically anywhere from 51 to 52 today after a huge run yesterday from 49 all the way up to 51. I think the next move is still down to the 47s in this area. So I'm going to leg in. 51 will be 20%, and I'd put probably 40% up here at 52, and then if we get up to 53, I would then lay in the last 40%. So 51, 2, 3 in legs of 2, 4, and 4 if you have 10 as your max. So that's how I would put the trade on. I'm looking for at least a pullback to 49.50. Could take a few days, week. But I just seasonally, this is when oil tops, and I think that there's more oil in the world than we know what to do with. Fundamentally, and then just looking at our point of control and our most recent trade, that's where we are. I'm trading the X contract. This still trades for another 9 days. And if this trade has not worked by then you're going to roll over to the Z. The Z, by the way, right now, if you want to start there, you can start the trade and you don't have to worry about it for another month and roll over. But the Z is trading 51.28, just so you can see that here. So the Z contract kind of would, for me, would relate to, 51 right here, 51.30 up to 52.30. And again, I'm trading the X contract, so just keep that in mind. But yesterday's spike, I think, was an anomaly into the OPEC news, the OPEC report rather, which has been released. So there's a risk. If it closes over 53 in a week close, I am wrong. There's your defined risk. So again, if you're a 100 contract player or a 10 contract player, put on 20% of your trade today. You're at 51 and wait for change in price, either higher or lower to add. But right now, I'm only going to put on 20% of the trade and look for lower prices down to 49.50.